Did you know that girl used to mean boy? What? Well, it used to mean a young person of either gender. So yes, back in the day, girl could mean boy. Words do change their meaning over the decades and centuries, and sometimes end up meaning quite the opposite of what they used to mean. Here's another example, nice. We all know this word. We use it to refer to kind people or things we like. But it used to mean foolish or reckless, quite the opposite of a good, kind person. I don't know about you, but twisted meanings make me nervous. Nervous. That's another word that's traveled 180 degrees from its original meaning, which was strong and sinewy. I think changing a word's meaning so drastically is plain silly. What? Silly used to mean innocent. A word that means foolish or frivolous today used to mean innocent. So wait, nice used to mean foolish but now means good, and silly now means foolish but used to mean innocent. What a nutty language. At this rate, dictionaries aren't going to be able to keep up. They'll fizzle out. What's that? This is embarrassing. Come closer, I'll whisper it. Fizzle used to mean a quiet fart. I'm the English nut. It's bye for now. What? Now don't tell me that bye used to mean hi. This is getting ridiculous.